guys, welcome back to our channel. Once again, my name is Chella, and if you're new here, this is FamBamNY. And for today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make another beautiful rose balloon, and this time it's gonna be detailed and a slower version of the other video that we showed you guys a while back. And because a lot of our viewers were saying that it's kind of fast and it's too fast to follow, and one of our subscribers is suggesting to make another video tutorial on how to make this beautiful rose balloon in a detailed and step-by-step and a slower version of the old video that we had. So with that said, we need 5 of this 260Q. So we first stretch all of them just like that, and then I will use my balloon pump manually. So leaving like about a 2 fists right there on the tail. So now just like that, squeeze this, and then I'm gonna push this in like this, and then pinch the tail or the end of your balloon, and then you twist. And once you do that, push this in a little. So it's not going nowhere. And there it is. As you can see, there's a dimple. So now I'm gonna pinch again right here. Pinch and twist about 2.5 or 3 fingers right there. A little bigger than the first one. And then you make 2 of this. Again, pinch and twist right there. And then once you get this, hold on to this too, and then you squeeze this. You fold this here and pinch again, and then you twist. So this is like about a fist, okay? Just like that. And then you make another one of this the same size. Squeeze here, pinch, and then twist. So about the same size as this, okay? And then you need to pinch this together, this 2 right here. Pinch it and twist. And now this one right here, you feed it right here. Feed it through the thing. So just like that, as you can see, okay? And then I'm gonna squeeze this here. So what you're gonna do is just make a fold and then pinch and twist. So it's about the same, like 2 fingers. You want to make 4 of this right here. Squeeze and then fold again. And then pinch and twist. Squeeze, fold it, pinch, and then twist. And then last one, squeeze, fold it, pinch, and then twist. Now you just have to go like that. Okay, I'm gonna pop this, the extra one. Just wrap it around. The end, you go like that. So when you look at this, it's like this on the top, on the side, on the bottom. Okay? So you'll put this on the side. So now we have 4 remaining 260Q balloon. So we will pump this. About 1, 2, 3. About 3 pumps right there. So I got all 4 of this. So the first one, squeeze. So now you have to tie this one in here. So you want to make sure this is round, so shape this. So this is your first balloon. So now your second balloon, feed it through your first one. Again, squeeze. And then you tie this on here. And then again, you want to shape this. Now there's 2. Now for the third one, you put this together, feed it through both of them, like that. You want it nice and round. Now there's 3, okay? So the last one, you feed it through all 3, right here. Like that, guys. Okay, and then the same thing, you tie this. Now they're all in here. Alright, so as I said, they're all connected now. So you just have to arrange this in place. So you want this on the same direction. So going that way. I want to hide the connection right here. This one. Hide it right there. And now what you're going to do, you'll bring this back. You want to put this in the middle. Just like that, and arrange that in place. So you just have to pull it like this way, that way. You just have to arrange them in place until you like how it looks. There it is, guys. There's your rose balloon using 260Q. I like it that way. And there you go, guys, our rose balloon using 260Q, total of 5 balloons. And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, once again, please subscribe, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Hope you guys like this, and once again, thank you all. This is FembamNY, and we'll see you in our next video. Thank you guys, and bye!